Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Cobra Plier tray set from Knipex. It comes with this package. Almost every product from Knipex is made in Germany. Packaging comes with some demo photos and information about pliers included in this set. The part number of this set is 002009V02. Let's open up the box. The tray of this plier is not very sturdy. I think it will not last longer. Pliers are soaked in oil to avoid rusting the metal during storage, which is nice. Let's take out the smallest first. The handle is molded in high quality rubbery material with anti-slip surface, highly resistant to the chemicals, grease and dirt. Here you can see the part number made in Germany is printed. Made in Germany is also forged stamped on the metal along with Knipex Cobra logo. These Cobra pliers are famous for their strength and robustness. The workmanship is top class. Every detail of this plier is absolutely fantastic. Push button works flawlessly. With a push button, you can adjust the jaw width. Once you set the required adjustment and it will lock the position firmly when turning the board and pipe. That is why these are called self-adjusting pliers. This is mid-length plier in this set. Same consistent details. Feels really good in hands. Adjusting mechanism is firm and smooth. No wobble on the mechanism. On the hands, you can feel that how good quality these pliers are. Let's pick up the biggest in the set. Guys, these pliers are beast, very sturdy and robust. Everything seems perfect. Workmanship is flawless. These are made of vanadium steel and hardened in oil. Metal is extremely strong. Look at the details of the plier. Teeth are straight and sharp, no chips or nicks. These pliers grab the object firmly and efficiently. I'm trying to find any flaws in workmanship, but I'm unable to find any. I think every mechanic or tech should buy Knipex pliers. This is my second set for home garage. These are affordable as compared to the Snap-on or other truck tools brands. If you buy these on German Amazon, you can find them even cheaper and the quality is none to others. Highly recommend them. Okay guys, that's it with the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.